have also had some failures, but we're not here to talk about those today. If you come by and you see us directly, we'll tell you about what things do and what doesn't work. But we definitely know that, the technology still has limitations. And, when I talk about the metal printing technology, and has some, interesting things that come with it, but we do our best to use what we have today, and we've had many, many, many successful projects. So a little introduction to myself. Been involved in automotive manufacturing. I'm actually a wood model maker by trade. Many of you might not even know what that is, but that came around basically before the invention of CAD. CAD was a baby at the time, and myself and other journeymen, we were reading Mylars and building models to be used for duplicating aids to make molds. So I've been in the industry since about 1985. First, everything was being done manually. As you know now, we're into CAD, we do designs, we do mold flow analysis, and all of that kind of leads us to where we are today in the use of conventional versus conformal cooling. A little bit about Shapeways. Shapeways actually acquired Linear in May of 2022. Kind of Shapeways experience had been mostly in 3D printing and software, heavily involved in e-commerce. They approached Linear, myself, back in 2021, and their interest was to be more involved, or to get further involved in kind of a business to business where, you're not selling to the consumer, you're selling to other companies. And when you're doing that, you're a little bit different way to do it. Their big interest in Linear was that we looked at things a little bit differently. Additive manufacturing as a whole doesn't replace things like injection molding or mold making, or you can't 3D print your way to 2 million parts on an annual basis. Shapeways recognized Linear's use of injection molding, tool making, and conformal cooling, which is another additive technology, and it can have a great effect on how injection molded parts are made. That's particularly in their quality, their speed, and so that, using that, and we do other things with our plastic printing. We do a lot of fixturing, check fixtures, holding fixtures, assembly fixtures, and so we kind of take traditional manufacturing and shove anywhere we can additive where it makes sense by reducing time to market, costs, or engineering time, so however it may be.